guys? H&H here. We're going to show you how to sharpen a bigger knife than normal, because I know a lot of survivalists out there like to do bigger knives. It's a tack force, or tack assault, whatever the hell it is. Nothing fancy, cheap, but it's a big knife. We're going to show you how to sharpen it. Start on the roughest grit you got. I don't remember what the grits are on these. I just know the darker side is the roughest part. So here. The reason I'm running it diagonal is because this recurve in the blade, whenever you pull it back, you can get it on the side of this block. We're not going to use this block too much. It's for really rough stuff. Get on this side. I'm used a little bit. Redneck ingenuity. You just want to cut real deep with these diamonds a few times, just to get that metal running a certain way. Alright, we'll go ahead and skip to the finest of the flat stones. This has a double bevel on it, so instead of a saber grind all the way to the top, it actually goes down to a double bevel, which means there's just another piece of metal that turned into a bevel on the very end of the blade. Alright. This over here. Here's where you really start digging in with your diamonds. You should only have to do this once. Sharpen a knife once, hone for life. If you tune into this video, do a little talking while I sharpen. If you tune into this video, we're going to have an upcoming home defense video, and we'll see how all that works, but just got a Glock 22 Gen 4, so definitely be using it very soon. Alright, ceramic. Oh. You can see a bevel forming on the edge of the knife, which is good. New stone. It's a king. One of the best stones you can get. Japanese water stones you can get. King. 1,000, 6,000. Make sure you stay diagonal. That way you don't miss the recurve in the blade. Pick up your tip. When it gets to the end, pick the tip up. And the next side. Sure we work it tipping real good. Go back in the water. Rub it with your knuckles, get all the old stuff off. You don't want it to sink into your stone. Yeah. By the way, these stones are made of clay, so and try not get the clay from one stone on the other stone. If you're stick it in the water, it'll go away. All right. See how it recurves hitting both sides of the stone. And here in a minute, the outer curve hits the middle stone. The more metal you build up, the better the slurry will be. And the more slurry you get, the finer the stone becomes. So just keep sharpening on it after a while, and you'll build a slurry up, and the higher your grit will get until the stone's pretty much incapable of getting any higher. That's how you get that very fine edge. Get that tip real good. See all that? Yeah. Alright. Should be sharp enough. You don't want to get your bigger knives if you plan on chopping or, you know, just regular stuff. You don't want to get them razor sharp because the edge will just roll over on you. I mean, it's, yeah. I do a lot of chopping, so I'm not going to put a super fine edge on it, but much better than factory. Get all that grossness off of it. Alright. Now, I'm going to strap this blade real quick. Leather couch. Just use the arm of it. Alright. Oh, much better. I don't know what we could cut. Let's see. Alright, here we go. See if she's... That's a sharp, big knife. You can go Crocodile Dundee on somebody with that. That's a knife. Perfect. You can't beat them Japanese waterstones. Check out that edge on there. Got a nice polish all the way up it. Alright guys. H&H, how to sharpen a big knife. Signing out.